Hey guys, I'm Kip Smith, the foreman with Newport Utilities. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about portable generator safety during extended power outages. Currently, our voltages on our system are 69,000 volts, 13,200 volts, down to 7620, all the way down to the transformer that changes it down to 120/240 for your residential power. During an extended power outage, some people will go get their portable generator and run a direct line into the breaker box. What that causes is a backfeed without a properly installed transfer switch that has been inspected and tested by Newport Utilities in the state of Tennessee. It causes a backfeed through your panel, up through the meter, into the transformer at 120/240 coming backwards. Causes a voltage of 7620 back out onto the line, and then in our work zone. We have a couple of scenarios that we videoed earlier on our test yard to show the reaction that happens where it burns a security light off of a generator voltage, plus produces a high voltage back onto the line. Today's demonstration shows exactly what can happen when a generator is used incorrectly. We have a meter base and a simple breaker feeding 120 volt outlet using a suicide cord with two male ends. We plug one end into the outlet, the other end to the generator. When the generator is started, the power flows backward through the transformer, puts primary voltage on the line, and then comes back down the other side, powering a security light. If that line were on the ground, most people will assume it was dead. Many times when we arrive after a storm, homeowners have already started clearing trees and debris. We strongly urge you to never approach a down power line. Always wait until Newport Utilities crews are on site and have confirmed the line is open, tested, and grounded. Newport Utilities has a policy of open the line up, test and ground before we can work on the line due to potential backfeeds. Sometimes we have to access your property to pull your meters, and then that eliminates the voltage coming back onto the workers. Again, never approach a down power line during a storm situation or an extended power outage. Thank you.